Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change the size of a journal in Canva. First of all, open up a journal. If you have already made one, you can simply open your own journal. I am using a template here. After opening the journal, to change the size of it, you can click on the journal and click on Resize and Magic Switch button at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see many options here, and you can also see all from the Resize tab. Now select which one you want to choose. I am choosing the Instagram story here, which is 1080 by 920 pixels. Select on it and click on Continue button. After that, again click on Copy and Resize. Now click on Open Your Story button. Then the new window will appear where you will get the resized journal here. You can see the difference from this and this journal. You can also change this journal to other size. I will do a presentation size which is 16 by 9. Simply click on Continue and Copy and Resize button. After that, open the presentation and you can see that your journal has been resized successfully. So that is how you can resize the journal in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.